Hello, my name is Dr. B.V Kiran. I am a general surgeon. I came from Andhra Pradesh. Now I want to share my experience with you regarding training, laparoscopic training in Bhandari hospital. I came for a 2-month fellowship course. The training here is very much systematic, stepwise and supervised. Hands-on experience is very good here. Daily 3 to 4 laparoscopy cases will be going on a minimum. In addition, the main spectrum of cases will include lap appendectomy, lap cholecystectomy, lap hernia, lap CBD exploration, diagnostic laparoscopy, intestinal obstruction. In addition to this, you can able to observe some emergency cases. At the same time, you can able to go into gynecology theater during morning times, which consist of TLH and ovarian cyst, ectopic pregnancy, etc. Now, after 2 months of training, I can able to perform lap appendectomy and cholecystectomy on my own, which I feel very much interesting here. So, for you here, you will be having a dry lab where you can practice on endo trainers and you can improve hand-eye coordination. In the evening time, you can assist in surgeries, and at the same time, as you get experience, you can able to perform individually under supervision. Okay. I strongly recommend everyone to take this course to improve your laparoscopic skills. I am extremely thankful to the faculty because they will be having a one-to-one relationship here. I am thankful to Dr. K.M. Bhandari, Dr. Srikanji, Dr. Mundraji, Dr. Cherchit, theatre in charge, Rajendran. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.